So right here we have a Torquemaster broken spring. The spring is actually inside of the tube. Here we take in the old unit down. Here is the bearing plates. Install it left and right. Make sure everything is level. Pre-drill before we put in the leg screw. Oil the bearing plates. Installing the tube. Anchor brackets, make sure it's level and pre-drill it. Now the drums. Installing the springs, left and right, drums left and right. Putting the cable on the drums, lock it with vice grips. Starting from the left and going to the right. Measuring the height of the door, that will tell us how much tension to add for the spring. This door is 8 feet high, so it's 32 quarters for each spring. Lock in the spring, and next for the second spring. Same thing, 32 quarters. Release the vice grips. Make sure the door is balanced, and we're good to go.